Hey guys, it's Alan from Grommet's Leathercraft. I'm going to be showing you guys how to tie our Style 1 sword straps. So these are pretty simple. They look complicated, but they're not. If you're right-handed, generally you're going to wear your sword on your left side, so you're going to have the straps coming up this way. You've got the two thinner edges. You're just going to wrap those around, one coming up one side, one coming up the other. And then you thread those through the 3/4 inch wide slot that's stamped into the strap like that, just one on top of the other. The whole strap together is 3/4 inches wide, so these are going to fit pretty much exactly. And then you're just going to pull those pretty tight. Good rule of thumb is to start the strap a little bit further down on the scabbard. And then pull everything tight, kind of as tight as you can get it. And then once it's, tight to the point that you like, you slide it up into place. That way it kind of cinches down and grips onto the scabbard as good as you can. So that way it's not sliding around when you're wearing it, which can happen. If you're extra adventurous, you can cut some slots in the actual leather covering of your scabbard if you really want to go fully committed to it. And then you can thread either these straps through that or these straps through that, and that'll lock it in and keep it in place, keep it from sliding around. But you don't really have to do that. Generally, doing the trick where you start it a little bit lower down, sliding up into place, works pretty well. And then, once you've got that through there, bring these up again, and you're going to pull them through the tiny slot. So a trick you can do with the tiny slot is you're going to have the flat edge right here, and this is an extra tiny. So usually what I'll do is I'll pull one through, and then get some needle nose pliers, and what I'll do, let me see if I can get it here, push those through there. Bring this back around to grab onto the other strap, just to help you pull it through, because this is intended to kind of lock the whole strap together. And once everything is locked together, it won't go anywhere. That's why it's meant to be kind of hard to do, because ideally you don't want this thing coming loose and disconnecting from your scabbard while you're walking around fair or in an event or somewhere. You want it to be on there very tight. So these lock in really tight, and then what you do is you just take these extra pieces and you just I usually just tuck them underneath here, one direction and the other, and yeah, it locks in pretty good. And then you do the same thing for your second strap right there. Generally what you want to do is I do the first one a few inches down from the actual throat of the scabbard. And then I'll put the sword in and I'll kind of hang it just to figure out where the balance point is and figure out where is a good spot to mount the other strap. So that way your sword is balanced when you have the actual straps attached. And yeah, enjoy.